Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Hospitality Human Resources, and this is me, Sumit Tomar with you. Friends, talking about myself, I've been into hospitality industry from last 1 decade, and I've been managing the human resource function for major hotel chains. And friends, in this video, we are going to talk how you can reduce your HR manpower cost along with reducing the attrition rate. Friends, this is a new scenario which most of the companies nowadays are following, and the same scenario has been introduced in the hospitality industry. So major hotel chains are doing the same thing, and what that thing is, stay tuned with me. And before that, I request you to subscribe to my channel so you can get daily updates on my human resource tips. So in order to reduce your manpower cost, you can directly hire the students of schools. Yes, you heard right. You can directly hire students from schools. Now, those students who are very well qualified, very well educated, and you can take the initial round of interviews, you can judge them, and you can understand about their capabilities, and accordingly you can hire them. Now, directly hiring from the schools, how that would help you is that you can provide them with a graduation degree that would cost you, a distance learning degree would cost you around 22 to 24,000 per year. That is 2,000 rupees per month. Along with that, if you provide them a stipend of, let's say, 5,000 per month, they would be happy, because what they would be getting is a graduation degree with particular industry experience, and also they are earning. And with that, what you can have is a fixed 3-year student with you who would be there, who would be trained at your company by your SOPs. You can groom them, you can mold as you like. So you can have a manpower at the cost of rupees 7,000 per month only, whereas Delhi's minimum wages, which is more than 13,000 per month. That is how you can reduce your manpower cost, and with that you can reduce your attrition rate, because those trainees or those students, they will stick with you for at least 3 years, because they would be going through their graduation with you. So by that ways you can reduce your attrition rate as well. So friends, this was the basic tip how you can reduce the manpower cost and attrition rate of your company or your industry. And for more updates, please subscribe to my channel.